Hi, I just thought I'd give you some instructions in case you need it on how to operate the TV. Now, the TV is a little bit complicated, so apologies for that. But to switch it on, what I suggest you start is switching the telly on. So you're going to do that by going to this button here on the left hand side, and you're going to press it on. You'll see it'll flash green for a while until eventually the TV will boot. Now this is going to boot straight into terrestrial TV, but there's going to be a few people that are going to want to use the Netflix. Now the Netflix is operated on the box that is at the bottom of the screen and using this Samsung remote control. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch on the Samsung by just pressing this button up the top left. Set-top box, which is bizarrely at the bottom, will switch itself on, and after a couple of seconds it will boot to look at this screen. Now you can navigate around to play DVDs, iPlayer, Amazon Prime or YouTube. If you're going to buy a movie from Amazon Prime, we'd appreciate it if you could leave the cash on the side. But if you want to boot onto Netflix, you see I've just loaded it there. It's preloaded with our Netflix account, so it'll take a second or two to load. After it's loaded, you'll find there's a number of different options. If you can use the one that says Elephant Cottages, that would be great because we use it personally as well. So if I click on the Elephant Cottages now, using this center button to navigate left and right, so I'm going to select on Elephant Cottages, and after a second, as you can see, Netflix is now loaded. Just mute it for a second. Now remember, the volume controls and everything are on the set-top box, so remember that it's the plus button will increase it and the minus button will decrease it. I've found that you need to possibly point at the TV just to make it work. Now the other thing we provide at the cottage is obviously the projector, which is this great big screen that you see up here. I'm going to pull that down for us. So you pull it down, wait for it to latch. So this is now the screen pulled down. Now if you want to operate this, I want you to have a look now just behind the back of the TV. I've provided you with a button that will switch between the TV and the projector box. So if I press it once, you should find that it's now going to go to the projector. And what we now need to do is use this remote control, which is the BenQ. It's written BenQ at the bottom, and that's to switch it on. So I'm going to sort of point it at this. Now after a second or two you will see this button green flash. It takes a while for the light bulb to kind of get up to speed, if you like. So the set-top box communicates to the projector on the wall by Wi-Fi, and you might just need to make sure that this box here is switched on. We usually leave it switched on and it should automatically connect. After a second or two, as you can see, we've got the projector up and running. It works best if you have the roller blind shut, and yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Cheerio.